For our second scenario, we have freckles, capital F, are dominant to no freckles, lowercase f. So a heterozygous mother, we know heterozygous means that they have different capitalization, thus we have a dominant and a recessive allele. And a heterozygous father, we're going to change the color just to make it easier for us to understand male versus female. We're going to place the mother on the top of our Punnett square here. We're going to place our father on the left-hand side. We're going to distribute the mother. Now, the only difference is that on this hand side, I see that there's a dominant trait. So when I place it on that second box, that recessive one needs to be actually behind my dominant one. And that's just an easy way to remember that the dominant trait kind of like masks that recessive one. So you want to always write it in that manner. So we distribute our alleles here. And this is what I was referring to right here. I knew that this F, or this dominant allele, was going to mask this recessive one. So I want to place it in the front. So just like last time, this is our box 1, 2, 3, and 4. Possibility for 1, my genotype is homozygous dominant, and that is going to have a phenotype of freckles. Possibility 2 is actually heterozygous, but remember we said that it does mask it, so it does have freckles too. Possibility 3 is also heterozygous, so it does have freckles. And our possibility 4 is actually homozygous recessive, so it does not have freckles. Now, if I wanted to place this as a percentage, what we would do here is since each box is worth 25%, we can either say 25, 50, 75, 100, or place it just like a fraction and divide it and multiply it by 100. So my freckles, or my chance of an offspring having freckles, is actually 75%. It's 3 over 4, thus 75, or 0.75 times 100 is 75%. And no freckles is 25%.